Would you help me, Josh?
Why?
Because I want you to put Minnie over there so we can see Lauren walk. Oh, never mind. She's going to walk all on her own.
What? What, Mom?
Oh, my goodness, Lauren.
Lauren, you got it. Yawn.
You want to go get Bubba? Go get you want this toy? Okay. Gotta come back here. It's gonna take lots of steps. Okay, we'll go get it. Okay, you can go get it now. Yay, Lauren! Yay! Yay, Lauren! Lauren, come here.
Mom, show what the cat.
You just hit me with it. You silly goose.
You're so good.
You gonna come get it? Move that over there a little bit so that she has to walk a ways. Good. Good job. Are you going to go get it? Look, Lauren. Are you going to go get it? Yay, Lauren! Woo, Lauren! Good girl!
Give me that little thing.
A trap?
Yeah.
Good girl, Lauren. You got it.
You're so okay.
You can do it.
Hey, Mom, you want to see my space card?
Ooh, cool.
It says science experiments. He was pulling off a new lip gloss. He was fun. And that's why baseball's over.
You should tell a story to the video camera.
One day they were
You have to come sit over here so the camera can see you.
Why?
Because it can't see you where you're sitting. See? Now I can see you. Wait. See? You want to sit on my lap and tell a story?
No, you can.
I don't want to.
I'll show you who's not hot on your heels. Come on, let's race.
Lauren, you can play.
Look at
You come get it?
I turned it up for a
So
camera.
she'll come over here.
Yeah. Mom, you want to read this to me?
Bring it over to me. It says Exploration Systems. Lauren.
Have to get a thing.
No, no. No, no, no.
No!
You're too busy.
You
I think she saw the giraffe and wanted to come get it.
Okay, have it.